people, how you doing? I'm about to make another meal, and again, I'm on my own. So I'm going to make, I believe, what's it called? Oh, veal scallopini with some mash. We're going to have some mashed sweet potatoes, some beans, some broccolini. So we've got our veal, some mushrooms, some flour, and some salt and pepper and chicken stock. So pretty much that's all we need. So you just get your veal. I've washed it, just put a little flour on them. Actually, almost forgot. So what you do is you add your salt and pepper into your flour to start with. And you just sort of mix it around, add a little bit more salt. Hello. Right. And now, we just put that like so, and we just do all those. And of course, because of Mal, we have to use the gluten-free flour, which will work just as good as any flour, and you can't taste the difference. But then she won't get sick. That's a big bugger. Or is it two? Two? It is two. What we're going to do is just cook it. Cook them just in the fry pan. And because these are quite thin, they don't take long at all. A couple of minutes, a minute on each side, and they're done. So we just cook those first, and we'll put them aside. We've got our sweet potato on, because that takes a while to boil. Now we also add a little bit of butter and wine to the dish. So I've cut up the veal just into pieces, and you have a look. Look how tender that is. Look at that. Beautiful. Now we start with the sauce. We put in our chicken stock, half a cup of just dry white wine. We put in our garlic. And last but not least, we put in our mushrooms. A few of those in. And just a dabble of lemon juice. We'll cook that for about 6 to 7 minutes. Now we have it. We just add a little bit of butter. So cook that for about 2 minutes, and then we add just some parsley flakes in there. So now we can just go ahead and add our beautiful tender veal.
How spoilt am I? I've come home from a late meeting at work and the house smells amazing. Chad over here in his Christmas apron has been cooking up a treat for me. So I'm just going to record this last bit to help him out. But look at the awesome meal I've got. So I'm just going to switch.
So we've cooked our meat in with the sauce, and we've let it probably about 4 minutes, 5 minutes. Just let it just on low and turn that off now. And that's right. So we can dish up. So
look at this. Mashed sweet potato, broccolini, beans. Broccolini.
Actually, I'm not a big broccolini, so that's.
Do you get any?
No, I've just got beans. Yum.
What do you got there?
My day drops. So I don't eat too much.
Good job.
I don't have seconds or thirds.
He didn't explain that very well, so if you've got any questions about what he just took, the day drops, please put a comment below.
So this is our veal scallopini.
Tripping over, the cameraman is not.
Some mushrooms for Coop.
Oh, did you give a shout out to the person who gave you this idea to make this recipe?
No, who was it?
Oh, poor Rob.
Oh, it was. Sorry, Rob. Yes.
Look at the camera.
Sorry, Rob. Good choice, though, mate. I reckon it's going to be amazing. Veal. What did I say?
Scallopini. Requested by our #1 fan, Rob. Made just for you, Rob.
There it is. Have a look at that.
Oh, amazing.
You're gonna do a taste test for me?
We will do a taste test.
All right.
Give this a little
All right,
bit.
boss. Give it a crack.
It smells amazing.
Good.
It's so tender.
Mmm.
So much flavour.
Yes. As I said, you don't want to cook it too much. Overcook the veal at the start.
Can I just say, I think this has got to be one of my favourite meals that you've ever made.
No. Well, hello, Jackie.
2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up.
Thanks, Kat.
No worries.